Hi! Did you ever think making a whole chicken was hard? I'm gonna show you how easy to make and how delicious it can taste. Check this out. We're gonna take our whole defrosted chicken and we're gonna season it with Pachi's special way to season chicken. This is what we do. We add yogurt, mustard, some ground peppercorns, and mix this. That's it! On a rack on top of them, we're gonna add the potatoes with some basil and salt, which is gonna be our side to this delicious chicken. Add some basil to the bottom of the pan because the basil is gonna kind of burn and give it a delicious smoky flavor. That's it! Enjoy a delicious meal in no time. Remember, with Chef Pachi, delicious food, sustainable mood. Chef Pachi. Check out the full recipe on YouTube.